Margaret here. Are you looking for a clean air vacuum cleaner? I'm looking for getting a sharp professional lift away. Unlike other vacuum cleaners, unlike other vacuums that are bagless, might do a dirty job, but this one does a more cleaner job than that. It has this vacuum, it does have a complete air system, so the dirt stays in the container. It does have a very powerful motor head since it's motor driven. It does contain all its attachments on board the vacuum, so it can be more easy to do so it's easy to do above the floor jobs. This part head right here can do rugs. Are very good. Yep. Yep. There might have been similarities to this vacuum. It does appear on QVC as advertising their Shark products. Some do come with other attachments, like the floor squeegee nozzle. Yep. This vacuum does have this vacuum come with the carrying handle, so it can be so this can be used upstairs or downstairs. It can probably do like a very good stair cleaning job. I recommend. I probably do recommend this one for. I probably recommend this attachment for like carpeted floors. If you want to do hardwood. If you want to do hardwood floors, if you want to do a hardwood stairs, it does come with the very good dusting attachment to do that job. It also comes with the yeah. It also does come with the One Vision headlight, so you can see in the dark corners or a dark room. Yep. Let's see. Oh. Well, to use this vacuum for carpet, it does have a foot. About to a clean carpet. It does come with the foot thingy, so it's easy to clean the so it's easy to clean up any form of carpets and or bare floors. But I recommend using that as a suction only sweeper. Yep, it might be more. I think that might be more of a good idea instead of using a broom and dustpan, because this thing can collect because this thing could clean all that worries. Well, thanks for watching, and also thanks for watching, and I want to call it Mark's presentation of Shark Vacuum. Bye.